Good golly, Miss Molly, it's finally June, and given the forecast for the 90-degree days this weekend, I would say that we're safely past any kind of frost issues with your plants. But now that we're into the heat of summer and we have been so dry, the next thing you have to worry about is watering. We've seen a lot of issues this year with plants being underwatered and causing some growth issues and some damage. So be sure to water anything that you've planted this year, and maybe even any trees and shrubs that you planted last year. Also, June is Perennial Gardening Month, and so it's up to us to beautify our gardens. I am planting an astilbe garden this year. This is an astilbe because I'm getting my house ready for the Old Brick Garden Tour that'll be in July. Also, we get a lot of questions at the plant desk about spring blooming trees and shrubs like lilacs or crabapples or magnolias that for some reason are not flowering. And one of the big reasons that spring blooming trees and shrubs don't flower is because they've been pruned at an improper time. So you want to be sure that as soon as they're done blossoming and the flowers have faded, that's when you prune. So you're going to want to do that soon so that they set flower buds for next spring, and then you'll have flowers next spring. Also, we're getting really close to the time when you would be pruning your evergreens. So come on into the garden center. We have lots of tools, including a great line of pruners from Fiskars, a local company, and we'd be happy to help you choose the pruner that would be just perfect for the job that you need to do. So happy gardening this weekend, everyone, from all of us here at the Bruce Company.